Hello friends, in this video we learn about the structure of human eye. First we draw the structure of human eye. The outermost layer of the human eye is called the sclerotic. Here, this layer is called sclerotic. And sclerotic inside the second layer, this green line, is called the choroid. Is the second layer of the human eye inside the sclerotic. It is a wood structure of the eye. It is sclerotic structure in eye. The scleria is the white part of the eye that surround the cornea. In fact, that 80% of surface area of eyeball. A thin layer of tissue that is part of middle layer of the wall of the eye between the scleria and the retina. The retina is the thin layer of the tissue that lines the back of the eye on the inside. And inside the third layer is called retina, this blue layer. And here this half circle is called cornea. Now this yellow part is called iris, and in this yellow part the space is called pupil, and this red is eye lens. Now this black spot is called blind spot. Blind spot here is here the eyes is connected by mind, and the blind spot is the help in forward the image in mind. This is a yellow spot here. This in this circle have a liquid. It's called the vitreous humor, and in this circle, in this space, have a liquid is called the aqueous humor. Now by starting the sclerotic, the outermost layer of the eye, it's protect the inside parts of the eyes and also help in refraction. Second layer, retina. No, sorry, choroid. Choroid, it is in the inside of the sclerotic layer. It is absorb the incident ray on the eye and stop the internal reflection. Next is retina. Now retina, in the eyes, the image formed on retina. It is the most important work of retina. Now cornea, this part. Cornea is a front part of sclerotic layer, and it is highlighted and transparent. The light is enter the eye by this part here, cornea. Now this yellow part is called iris. Iris is behind the cornea and it is opaque. And this red part is eye lens, the image formation by this lens in human eye. Next is pupil. In the space between the this yellow part is called pupil. It is black and looking black. Sorry, it is a spear-like shape and looking black. It It has a splash. It has most important quality. In the dark, he automatically big, and in the highlight, it automatically small. And this yellow spot in the middle of retina, this is yellow spot is stand, and here is the image is very clear. Now this aqueous humor, it is a liquid material between the cornea and iris, and this vitreous humor, it is filled in the retina. It all about the structure of the human eye, all about the parts of human eye. Now the human eye structure is this. Now image formation in human eye. When the body is infinity, then first rays come and here, and then from the lens by passing by here lens, and he meet on retina. Next rays come from here, and after by passing by lens, it is meet to next first ray on retina. Then the image form here. Now then the object is near, then the image is formed by this method. First ray go from there, then they by passing by lens he meet on retina. Second ray also is go from lens, and by passing by lens, then he meet the first ray on retina, then image is formed here.